ayan guys, naghahanap kami ng kakainin. Ayun o, chicken flavored. Ayoko. So guys, namapatrip na siya. Kasi hindi, ang pangit yung pagkain. Sa akin, beef stew. Sa kanya, pork something. And mapanghi yung amoy. Naghanap kami ng makakain pero parang wala pang bukas. Kabangan na pagkain dito. Wala ko ito. Strawberry. Lasang strawberry din. Tignan niyo yung kutsara. Iyak na. Okay lang, natin kami. Ito yung mapangit. Huwag mo na amoy, parang dito kumain. Magkano lahat? 370.
I never been to Switzerland. I never been to the Philippines.
To Philippines.
Where?
You should try to visit Philippines.
When I have a good reason why not. Do you like Taiwan? Do you like
This is our first day here.
First day?
Yeah. So far, it's fine.
Fine.
Is it your first day here or
Long time.
how many days are you here?
One day here. But many time free time.
You really love Taiwan. You really love to visit Taiwan.
Yeah, I like it. The food is good.
Can you recommend some restaurant, like nearby restaurant? Because we're struggling to find like, because there's a lot of line.
I have a lot of Taiwanese breakfast like this.
Where did you buy that?
This is a Japanese store. But it's only from 11 o'clock. Matsuya is here.
Oh,
I can show you Google Maps. Beef noodle I would recommend. I know one restaurant. Beef noodle dumpling.
where? Just down here.
Here have a dumpling. I don't know the name. I need to check.
Yung ano, Din Tai Fung? Din Tai Fung? Ay, hindi. I mean, Xiaolongbao. Something yung...
Maybe that is a restaurant. I think.
Sounds like... Is it like... the near famous milk tea shop?
Yep.
There?
Yeah, this one.
Oh,
This
Xiaolongbao.
one, yeah.
Xiaolongbao. We know
Yeah,
that.
it's good. How long you guys stay here?
3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
Only.
You're traveling alone?
I travel alone. Always.
That's good. Sorry, what's your name?
Dave. Dave.
Dave.
What's your name?
Jeline.
Chidi.
Jeline.
Jilin.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jilin.
I'm Elijah. Nice
Elijah.
to meet
Nice.
you. Okay.
Are you guys from Manila or?
No, we're from province, Bicol,
I don't know.
where the Mount Mayon is. Mayon volcano, you know that? Don't know that, obviously.
I think
You heard of it, but you don't recall.
maybe I hear.
Yeah.
I never been to Philippines. I only know Manila because my best friend is from Manila.
It's just 2 hours away from here.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, it's near.
So you should come visit Philippines.
Next time I go to Philippines.
Yeah.
Go visit Philippines. beach, very beautiful. Very,
Beaches. The beaches
very
there.
good for diving.
Yeah. Beaches ko lang.
Is that the party one?
No. We're just gonna explore the Sunding Night Market and rest.
I would recommend to go Vietnam.
What?
Vietnam. Also, Pakistan. Pakistan.
Where's that? Was that a party place or?
It's a party place.
But we don't know the other part.
I would recommend to go there. We are now.
Dahil walang pila sa Shin Fotang, ito-try na namin kanilang famous pork xiaolong bao and milk tea. Try na niya. Taste test. Tuloy. Siyempre, dapat try ang lamig. Let's taste test this Shin Fotang. Ay, ang pangit ko. Oo nga. Hala, so far, sa lahat na kinain namin dito, ito pa lang yung masarap. Oo, masarap. Ito pa lang yung masarap. Hala, ba't di ako nag-eyeshadow? Para kasi kami yung old. Ang sarap nga nung ano, so good. 9 out of 10, char. 10 out of 10. Hi guys, so it's break time and kakainin muna namin yung xiaolong bao na binili namin. So, we bought xiaolong bao sa labas, the AT&TV, and the xiaolong bao ni Shin Fotang. So, let's try kung alin ang mas masarap. Parang amoy pa lang, mas okay. Okay. Try muna natin tong xiaolong bao ni ate sa... This is a pork xiaolong bao. Okay, may sauce na siya. Let's try it. Ay, di marunong. Pinuputok muna daw yan. Paano pinuputok? Wala na, hindi na mainit. Medyo malasa to. Kaya sa mga kinain natin na nakarang araw. Okay siya. Okay. Tekman mo na yan. I-review mo. Okay siya guys. For me, it's 8 out of 10. Sakto lang, di maalat. Hindi masyadong matabang. Kalisipin mo yung sabaw. May sabaw to eh. Yung boba na xiaolong bao parang di ko bet kasi hindi ako pa ng milk ay ng boba. Meron binigay ang Shin Fotang na sauce. Lagay lang natin yung sauce. Dito pala kami sa Yellow J Park. Hindi ako nabubusog, walang kanin. My God, very Asian. Hindi ko alam kung anong sauce na to guys. Basta pero siyang parang sauce ng pansit canton. Okay. Let's try the... Ay, wait, pakita ko muna. This is the xiaolong bao of the Shin Fotang. We're doing a North Coast tour right now and this is our first stop. Panoorin nyo na lang yung separate vlog. Mas flavorful. Oh my God! To be honest, mas masarap yung $80 80 NTD na xiaolong bao kasi dito guys. I don't know Pero yung milk tea masarap talaga.
Masarap
I'm not
siya.
gonna lie. Ito masarap siya.
Pero ito, mas malasa.
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung dun sa cover na ginamit, yun, ano bang tawag dyan? Ito kasi medyo thick yung
Tsaka para siya-
texture nung niya, cover niya. Pero yung loob niya is savory siya, na malambot. And ito, medyo hawig na siya masyado sa dumpling. Dumpling ba ang shawang ba?
Ewan ko din.
Ayun o.
Kagatin mo yan.
Yung loob niya is
Grind
ganito.
lang. Ito, mas marami tong gulay.
Halo. Parang siyang dumpling yung mas masarap siya guys, to be honest.
Sarwan.
Pakita mo.
Ayun lang.
Look.
Matutumbak na.
Well, itong isa is ganito. May mga gulay. As in, para siyang homemade.
Kasi parang process na.
Very homemade look. Hindi na kasi makita, but ayun. Wait. Masyadong madulas. Ayun o. Wait nga, ano na lang. No, kaya ano mo. So, ayun. Hindi, wag mo na. Tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Ito guys, yung loob nito. So, makikita nyo na may mga gulay pa talaga siya and ayan, may mga gulay siya and very loob. So, parang
Very organic.
oo. So, parang kung papipiliin. And sa lasa, mas medyo malasa to, in fairness.
Kumbaga, ito parang
Yeah.
restaurant.
Oo.
Tapos ayun.
Kung
homemade.
naghahanap ka ng pusong bahay na Tapos yung sauce nun, ilagay mo dito. Perfect. Parang siya na yung pasaw-saw nga. Naghahanap kami ng sardine pero wala kami mahanap. Isa dito naman kami sa convenience store and drinks lang ako. Ayaw mo bumili ng itlog. So guys, bumili kami ng ice cream. So let's gonna taste test it. Akala ko ice cream na. Para siyang pinipig sa Pilipinas. Ewan ko kung ba't yun ang kinuha niyo. Ayan. Try. Treat mo. Try mo na. Ilan? Treat mo na agad. Sasakit na lang. Ilan? 10. Hindi siya natutunaw agad. So guys, andito kami. I don't know kung saan ito. But there's a structure there na I don't know kung what it is. Hi guys, so we're now here in the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall and look at that wall. So big, right? Wow. And we're having an ice cream. Wow. Ang laki ng place, ang ganda. The famous Chiang Kai-shek. And ayun yung pinaka. Wow. Guys, dito sa likod ng Chiang Kai-shek, first time makita ng cherry blossom. Oh my God. Cherry blossom. Ito yung dark pink, guys. Guys, cherry blossom. This is my first time seeing a cherry blossom. So nice. Pero ikaw kasi medyo consider tayo na mag-print na video. Hindi. Kaya isang magandang puntahan dito sa Chiang Kai-shek kasi meron siyang dalawang klase ng cherry blossom. Meron siya yung light pink and yung dark pink. Oh my God, guys! Sobrang dami pang cherry blossom dito, guys. Ayun. Pero talagang full bloom na sila. And may mga dahon na. So guys, we were now gonna enter the Chiang Kai-shek Hall. Yeah. Dito pa lang. So this is the inside. Wow. Wow. And there, merong exhibition. Look at that. Guys, I don't know kung agree kayo na i-develop yung mga preserve na mga buildings from the into a mall or what. Kasi ang dami dito na tulad ditong Chiang Kai-shek. Ayun, may museum. Ay, free ang nila. Tara, tignan natin. Wow. This is the permanent exhibition hall. Permanent and irrevocable. Oh. The portrait. Ang daming tao nag-gather. Yeah. So we're now here in the museum ng Chiang Kai-shek. And there is so many vintage thing here. Yeah. Ayun. Ayun, guys. Ayun. Oh my God! Libro, guys! Wow! Very old book. Hello! Wow! Nandyan. Wow. Look at that, guys. Merong vintage car. And ito, may damit dito. At kanino namang damit to? Ooh. Ito si Chiang. Ito yung ginamit niya ng wedding. Wow. That's creepy. But something. Wow. 1927 pre-reserve nila. At ayun si Chiang. Grabe. Look. This is him. Ay, may mga old goats. Grabe na preserve nila to, guys. Yan. The hand crank telephone which Chiang used during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Chiang first cup. Ayan. Grabe, guys. Look at that. Nakita nyo ba? Wow. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yun nasa picture. Grabe. And the medallion. Military honors. Wow. Na-preserve talaga nila. And ito, oh my God, ang luma. Mayroon pang mga stain from the past. Oh my God. Grabe. Grabe. As in. So guys, we're now here in the Taipei Zoo. Guys, nandito kami sa piling ng mga foreigner. How are you? Huwag mo na okay. Huwag na, wala tayo. Wala yun. Ay, kala ko hindi na. Kasi wala na tayo sa'yo pagkabalik.
Please select ticket type. Please select payment method. Please insert banknotes or coins. Please take your tickets and change.
Where?
Please buy the tickets from the vending machine or using on iPad.
Itapat mo naman.
The gate is available and agents 6 to 11.
Please select ticket type.
With regular tickets and discount tickets, please show the documents or ID card.
Please select payment method. Please insert banknotes or coins. Please take your ticket.
Wala niyo people. Only? So guys, dito na kami sa Koala House. Where is the... Ayun siya! Cute! Hala! Ayun siya, tulog. Ayun na. Pupunta na kami sa Panda. This is the Panda House. So guys, we're about to enter the Panda House. There's a crocodile.
这是真的哎，
真的啦。
快干掉了。
你看这呼吸，你有看到肚子是一样的。那
Ew, parang baboy na. Parang baboy na elepante. Capybara doon. Ayun, ayun. The capybaras. Ayun, dalawa sila. Pero hindi sila lumalangoy. Wait, ayaw mag-focus. Ayun na. There are the capybaras. We're entering the Pangolin Dome. Ano daw? Guys, ay, inabot ako ngayon. What is this? It's like incubator.
进来自然不用，我现在看到了，但是我看不到动物在哪。妈的，夜晚是进来看不到动物。
It's like a
我
incubator.
在看我的那个。
Iba yung amoy dito.
有啊有啊，这里有这里有。
Iba yung amoy dito.
跑出来了，妈咪。人家就不是同一种红，你跟我讲说这边还有红。
Kasi mga doktor lang sila.
看到，他这不知道怎么。
Kasi mga doktor lang sila. Kaya one thing here, guys, they really develop this place and nape-preserve talaga and naaalagaan ng maayos yung mga animals. That's why very nice for this. Guys, we're going to Penguin House here in Taipei Zoo. And we saw another cherry blossom there. Cheek. Cheek. Yun ulit. Now we're gonna go to Penguin House. Guys, here it is. The Penguin House. There. We're now gonna go inside the Penguin House. Let's go. Wow. Oh, it's so cold in here. Oh my gosh. Guys, wag daw kayo magbubots pag pupunta dito. Malakaw. Alam niyo guys, typical Filipino style. Alam nila pag Pinoy ka, pag naka-skirt, pag ano yan? Tag doon? Pleated skirt, turtleneck, naka-heat-tech na leggings, turtleneck, and naka-trench coat.
Pero yung best nila kanya pagkamalang
Yeah. May nagtanong din sa akin kagabi ko, Pilipino ka ba? Pilipino ka ba? Hindi. I'm sorry, hindi. Ah,
tapos sinagot niya hindi.
oo, minti, naintindihan ko. Alam nyo guys, sa dami ng animals na ma-offer ng Taipei Zoo, very sulit talaga yung 100 NTD nyo pag pumunta kayo dito. Because meron ng mga African wild animals, meron na yung mga sa cold nyo lang makikita, Antarctica, penguin, capybara, the panda. So very sulit na talaga yung 100 NTD sa dami ng animals na may offer ng Taipei Zoo. It's very nice, affordable, and good for family, sa mga bata, for discovery. Very recommendable. So guys, andito na kami sa shuttle. Guys, so we're now here at the Mongsa Kundal and super taas na. Super, as in super. 299 points.
Siguro gusto ko sumakay.
Pakita mo yung Taipei 101. Takot. Ay, wala. Pagban.
Ga je hard? Ja. En toch krijg je dan veel waard. Dat zou ik fijn willen doen.
Ja, eigenlijk had je dit eigenlijk niet willen doen, hè? Jij wilde het eigenlijk helemaal niet doen, hè?
Ik wil het wel doen, maar.
Dat is het eigenlijk wat. Ja. Ik alles. Wat wordt dan bijna donker wel. Wat zijn we nog? Waar heb je die giraffe-toren?
Guys, it's our last day. Last day? Wala kami, hindi last day actually. Bye! Bye! Nungkot pa nung tugtog. Bye-bye na. This is our airport fare. Airport fare. Kung ano yung makakagaan. Yeah. Ay, picture tayo sa Siemens. Tingnan nyo. Baba mo. Picture lang tayo dito sa macarons kasi wala pa sa Philippines. Magbubukas pa lang. Ayun siya naghihirap. Kasi pinabibidyo niya ako.